Hi, today I'm going over 3 important tips for first-time homebuyers getting ready to start their search. Tip number 1, get a mortgage pre-approval right away. If you need a mortgage to purchase a home, it's important to speak to a lender who will go over your unique financial situation, discuss various loan programs available, and also determine a comfortable amount of money for you to spend on a home. Tip number 2, consult with your realtor. Sit down with a realtor who's going to explain to you all of the details of the home buying process and what's to come so you're fully prepared and know what to expect. And then finally, tip number 3, ask questions. It's important that you are comfortable with every step of the process. If you need things explained multiple times, don't be afraid to speak up. That's what I'm here for. So call me today and let's get started.